as you can see here, we have a 3-inch screw, or whatever you call these things. But what you're supposed to do with this is you stick it through here. And I forgot to just tell y'all, you got to build the mount first before you do this. This is what it should look like. It's easy to fold. Just all I need is a weed eater, right? Well, a good place to look for weed eaters is Facebook Marketplace. But let's get started. You're going to need a screw, some metal wiring thing, I don't know. You're going to need this. Just a metal rod. Well, not a metal rod. This is a metal. This is what they use from washer machines. Don't worry, it is cleaned. But what you want to do is you want to take this screw right here. Stick it through this hole. Sorry, y'all. I just got a little cut. It's okay. And then what you want to do is you want to stick this through here. Most bikes have this little hole. And this is the video that we're going to be doing it on. We're going to be doing the video on bikes like this, with the hole. So, what we want to do is we're trying to match the screw up with the hole. Like that right there. Does not affect the gear system. As you can see, it's not affecting the tire as it is. Now what you want to do is we have a little nut. You want to screw this on the end of it so this part does not come off. This is how to make a weed eater frame for a bike, not how to hook a weed eater up. I just want to get that clear. But this should work for most weed eaters. Just all you have to do is unscrew the exhaust and put the screws back on through the exhaust. Use some bolts, and there you go. So, what we want to do now... Sorry, did I say exhaust? No. You don't want to use the exhaust. You want to use the screw holes from the plastic in the motor. You want to take all the plastic off. And you want to screw this on to this metal rod right here. Now, right now, I don't have a weed eater to show you guys how this works, but I'll be doing a video on that in a couple weeks if I get 1,000 subscribers on how to put a motor on this frame, on this exact frame. So, what we want to do is you want to screw this bolt on as tight as you can get it. Right now I'm using my fingers. I know that's not as tight as you can get it, but it's the only thing I got right now. I got a couple stuff in my shed, but all that stuff's being used for a race mower, so. And also, if you guys want to see a video on a race mower, I need you guys to hit the like and subscribe button, because I am a small engine person. I know what I'm doing with these things. Till next time. Bye.